guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out 4 solar lights made by Paradise that are designed to go on the post for accents. We're going to do an unboxing of it right now and installation. Let's get to it. The package includes 4 lights, mounting hardware, which is right there, and instruction manual. Let's get to it. What's nice about this product, it uses a AA rechargeable battery. Nickel metal hydride, 800 milliamps. This gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down, because you can replace the battery. That is a home run. Within the instructions, there is a template. So you can use the template to mount the screws. So you can actually put the screws, put this piece of paper on the post, and put the screws in right where you need them to be. This is huge for mounting. Ah, very good. To install it, this must be together. Otherwise you can't get it on the fence post. Just thought I'd throw that out there. There we go. There we go. Now it's installed. And we're going to do the other ones right now. That's fully installed, ready to go, charging as we speak. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.